victorious this time.
The National People's Party has called for peaceful campaigning by all the political parties for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections scheduled on the April 19th. Speaking to media persons, NPP spokesperson H.M. Shangpliang said that this time there have been some instances of violence during the campaigning and parties were also engaged in mudslinging. Recently, NPP and VPP members clashed during a campaign and the house of one of the NPP leader was also pelted with stone in Umsning. Shangpliang, while reacting to charges of corruption on the party, has dared VPP leader to approach CBI and Enforcement Directorate on the matter.
And these are political and election slogans, I should say, for which they are trying to gain mileage out of it. But I must say only one thing. It is very easy to just term a party corrupt. I would appeal to the BPP. If you feel that the NPP leaders are corrupt, I request them to kindly file an FIR in the nearest police station, or you write to the central government to get a CBI inquiry or to get the Enforcement Directorate, and whatever central agencies are there, please call them and have them inquired, investigated into such corrupt people that are in the party.